The overall goal of this protocol is to fabricate a blue, hazard-free lighting source Candlelight OLED and to quantify the blue hazards using melatonin suppression sensitivity and maximum permissible retina exposure limit.
This protocol can help answer key questions in the lighting field, such as how to quantify the blue hazard of a given light and how to fabricate a blue hazard-free light source. The main advantage of this protocol is that one can readily estimate the threat of given light source and prevent the possible damages.
Though this approach can provide insight into healthy illumination, it can also be applied to display systems such as LCD and OLED TVs. We first had this idea for this approach where we found that Candlelight OLED is quite blue hazard free and shows high light quality.
To begin the dry fabrication procedure, wash a glass slide coated with 125 nanometer ITO anode layer with 200 milliliters of soap solution. Rinse the washed slide with deionized water. Next, dry with a nitrogen jet spray. Put the slide on a glass slide holder. Then, dip the slide holder into a beaker containing acetone. Place the beaker into an ultrasonic bath and sonicate for 10 minutes at 50 degrees Celsius. After this, transfer the slide holder to a beaker containing isopropanol. Sonicate for 10 minutes at 60 degrees Celsius.